Hi, I'm Tiffany from Tiffany's Table of Contents. Today I'm going to show you Usborne activity books. First book of Things to Spot is a Spot and See book for children. It has nice big pictures. This would be appropriate for infants or toddlers or preschoolers. Then we have the 1001 Spot series, so look for that as well. We have the Wipe Clean series, so this is alphabet. There's letters, numbers, mazes, penmanship. And so the child can just draw along the different lines and follow the lines to learn their alphabet. If you lose this dry marker, just use a washable marker because that works just as well. Then we have the Just Imagine book, and this is full of pictures and questions for you and your child to talk about and discuss, which is fun. So this one says, imagine being made different, not really human at all. Who's pulling my strings? I feel a bit flat. I'm melting. Different kind of topics for different giggles and different interesting things to talk about. Then we have the all-time best favorite sticker books for Usborne. From Usborne has different topics. This is best friends and princesses. There's fairies, ballerinas, weddings, jobs, anything like that. So you take the scene and then you decorate it with the different stickers for the scene. As you can see, my children have loved this book. But the stickers are reusable up to about 2 or 3 sticks. They're kind of like a post-it note. So if you use them a lot, they might start curling around the edges. But these are wonderful for Christmas presents, stocking stuffers, birthday presents, car rides to keep the children entertained. Great present. And then for the boys, we have spaceships, cars, we have sports, there's robots, there's motorcycles, all kinds of different fun activities, stickers, books for the boys. For other boys, we have the 100 paper planes. There's also dragon paper planes and spaceship paper planes. So the book contains the instructions to make the paper planes, and then it contains the paper to make those paper planes. And if you can kind of see, there's little lines on the paper to make sure and to help the kids with the folding and where to fold. So that's another wonderful present as well. Then we have the Write Your Own series. So we have Write Your Own storybook, Write Your Own comic book, and Write Your Own adventures. So it talks a little bit at the beginning about writing and tips and things like that, writing tools to have, and gives them encouragement on what to write about. And then here, they will give you different things. Like this talks about writing an adventure for using spy words. And here's different spy words that they can use in their stories. And here, it says write a historical adventure. So pick a setting, and then have a problem, and talk about your characters. And then looking back at different history things like castles and different ideas about what to write. So adventure stories, comics are really fun. And then this one is just kind of different stories that's more general for a more general audience. Then we have many drawing books. There's color and fashion books, but this one that I have here is step-by-step drawing book. So you take and you want to draw an owl, but you start off with this first step, this shape, then you add this shape, then you add those shapes, and then you have an owl. So it has plenty of white paper to draw. Like I said, we have lots of drawing books. This one is just a plain drawing book, but we have people and animals step-by-step drawing books. We have large coloring doodling books. There's coloring doodle in fashion, coloring doodle shapes. So look for those as well. And for the adults, to get away a little bit, we have adult coloring books. This is an Art Deco pattern to color. Peekaboo! We have adult pattern books to color, and so it's lots of fun for adults or fun for coloring parties as well.